What's the meaning of anticyclone? Anticyclone. 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 Anticyclone.
An anticyclone is a high-pressure system of air that rotates clockwise in the northern hemisphere and counterclockwise in the southern hemisphere. This type of weather pattern generally leads to calm and dry conditions due to the slight descending motion of the air. It often results in clear skies, bright sunshine, and warmer temperatures. However, prolonged anticyclone conditions can cause problems such as drought and poor air quality from stagnant air. Overall, anticyclones are a common feature of weather systems around the world and have both positive and negative impacts on our daily lives.